Denmark has entered a new phase in its defense modernization program with the arrival of its first Finnish-built Patria 6x6 armored vehicles, a step that is already being hailed as a transformative development for both the Danish Army and NATO's broader force structure. The delivery marks Denmark's participation in a common armored vehicle system program, known as CAVS, a multinational initiative designed to streamline procurement, standardize equipment, and improve interoperability among European and NATO allies. The fact that Denmark was able to receive its first vehicles just 2 months after formally joining the program highlights not only the urgency of Copenhagen's modernization agenda but also the efficiency of the multinational framework itself. For Denmark, the choice of the Patria 6x6 is not accidental. The platform has been proven in demanding environments and is designed with modularity at its core. This makes it a cost-efficient yet highly capable solution for nations that require both immediate operational readiness and long-term flexibility. By joining CAVS, Denmark has ensured that its land forces will not only benefit from one of the most modern armored vehicles currently in production but will also remain aligned with NATO standards for decades to come. The order, totaling 129 vehicles, will be delivered in increments throughout 2025, giving the Danish Army the ability to phase in new capabilities while simultaneously training personnel and adjusting operational structures. The Patria 6x6 itself represents the latest iteration of a long line of Finnish armored vehicle development, originally derived from the XA series. Over time, the platform has been refined to balance 3 essential qualities: protection, mobility, and cost efficiency. The armored hull is engineered to withstand ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices, meeting stringent NATO protection standards while offering modular armor options to scale up or down depending on mission profiles. This modular approach also extends to the vehicle's internal architecture, which can be reconfigured quickly for different roles such as troop transport, command and control, reconnaissance, medical evacuation, or even direct combat support with heavier weapons systems. Mobility has been given equal emphasis in the design. Powered by a nearly 400 horsepower diesel engine paired with a fully automatic transmission, the Patria 6x6 can reach speeds above 100 km per hour and sustain an operational range of more than 700 km without resupply. The vehicle incorporates an advanced suspension system and central tire inflation, ensuring that it can operate effectively across a wide variety of terrains, from snow and ice to desert sands and dense forests. For the Danish Army, whose operational responsibilities range from homeland defense in rugged Nordic conditions to international deployments, this adaptability makes the vehicle particularly well suited. Denmark's decision to adopt the Patria 6x6 is also a reflection of broader NATO priorities. Modern alliance doctrine emphasizes interoperability, rapid mobility, and digital integration, particularly in the face of heightened security concerns in Eastern Europe. By procuring the same core platform as Finland, Latvia, Sweden, and Germany, Denmark is ensuring that its units can integrate seamlessly into multinational task forces. This means shared logistics, standardized spare parts, and common training curricula, all of which reduce costs while improving readiness. The vehicle's open digital backbone further ensures that Danish systems can be integrated with NATO's command networks, providing real-time connectivity, sensor fusion, and compatibility with emerging technologies such as electronic warfare tools and counter-drone defenses. The significance of the CAVS program extends beyond the vehicles themselves. Established in 2021 under Finnish coordination, the initiative represents a paradigm shift in how European nations approach defense cooperation. Instead of pursuing separate procurement projects with varying levels of compatibility, member nations are opting for a shared platform that guarantees commonality but still allows for national customization. Each participating country has the ability to tailor its fleet configuration to its own operational requirements while retaining interoperability with partners. This model not only reduces procurement and maintenance costs but also strengthens Europe's defense industrial base by ensuring that production and sustainment responsibilities are shared among member states. For Denmark, the first batch of vehicles will consist of armored personnel carriers outfitted with remote weapon stations and national communications systems, providing immediate improvements to troop transport and battlefield survivability. Later deliveries are expected to include specialized command and support variants, as well as medical evacuation platforms. These vehicles will undergo final integration into Denmark's digital defense infrastructure, ensuring compatibility with national networks and NATO's broader systems. The incremental rollout also allows Danish soldiers to gain operational familiarity with the vehicles before the full fleet becomes available, minimizing the risks associated with rapid force modernization. Patria's role as the lead industrial partner is also noteworthy. The Finnish defense manufacturer has already delivered more than 250 vehicles under the CAVS framework, with total orders approaching 1,000 units. Its responsibilities go beyond simple manufacturing. Patria also provides long-term sustainment, training, and future upgrade pathways. This ensures that the vehicle platform remains relevant and adaptable in the face of evolving threats and technological developments. By committing to a multinational program with strong industrial backing, Denmark is not only enhancing its military capabilities but also investing in the resilience and sustainability of its defense partnerships. The strategic implications of this acquisition are far-reaching. Denmark's decision to align its land forces with a common European platform strengthens the collective defense posture of the Nordic and Baltic regions. With Finland and Sweden now full NATO members, the introduction of a standardized armored mobility system across Northern Europe creates a more cohesive security architecture. This is particularly important at a time when geopolitical tensions along NATO's eastern borders remain high, requiring member states to demonstrate both readiness and unity. For Denmark, participation in the CAVS program signals a commitment to collective defense, ensuring that its forces can operate side by side with allies in both national and expeditionary missions. Beyond strategy, the acquisition reflects a practical recognition of how modern warfare is changing. Contemporary battlefields demand speed, adaptability, and digital integration as much as raw firepower. The Patria 6x6 embodies these qualities, combining robust protection with high mobility and an open architecture that supports a wide range of mission-specific systems. Its ability to integrate advanced communications, battle management software, and modern weapon systems ensures that it will remain a valuable asset well into the future. For Danish troops, this means not only greater safety and tactical flexibility but also the confidence that their equipment can keep pace with emerging threats. In the coming years, as the remainder of the Danish order is delivered, the Patria 6x6 will gradually become a cornerstone of the nation's mechanized infantry formations. Its role will go beyond that of a simple troop carrier, functioning instead as a multi-mission platform capable of adapting to diverse operational requirements. From homeland defense to multinational peacekeeping missions, the vehicle will enhance Denmark's ability to project power and contribute meaningfully to collective security efforts. Its adoption also sets the stage for deeper cooperation with regional partners, ensuring that Denmark remains a key player in shaping the future of European defense. The arrival of the first Patria 6x6 vehicles is therefore more than a routine delivery, it is a tangible expression of Denmark's evolving defense posture. By investing in a modern, flexible, and interoperable platform under a multinational framework, Denmark is not only upgrading its own military capabilities but also reinforcing NATO's collective strength. As the CAVS program expands and more vehicles are fielded across Europe, the benefits of shared logistics, common training, and joint mission planning will become increasingly clear. For Denmark, the Patria 6x6 represents both a technological leap forward and a strategic alignment with its closest allies, a combination that will shape the nation's defense for decades to come.